Yes, man.
The main physical structure says bike, but the functionality screams minibus. Let me say about 9 people that plus their load. Yeah man, that is a minibus. I stand corrected, that is a minibus bike. I only get a perfect contrast of how much people the regular bike can carry versus the minibus bike. Now I wonder if you really pre the calculations what the boss would have to do. See, unlike the minibus where the loader man them just pack anyhow fat people and then try squeeze in some of the small and then tough one next fat somebody in there. The weight distribution on the minibus bike, it have to unpine, or else it is going to be a short and muddy trip for all parties involved. Nobody can cross it. It's only who can understand it, and also who can take the minibus bike can cross it. I feel like say on days when work slow, bossy just remove the attachments and start do some delivery work. Can't hungry. All I can say is this, you see, and mark my words, the minibus bike is coming soon to a Jamaica near you. If you're not already there, because you know anything like this, we take your own taxi. Honestly, we strongly believe say they are ready. That is it, people. Thank you for your videos and your video suggestions. Hit the like button, hit the share button. Definitely subscribe. This is K2KShorts. You think you believe it?